Good morning to all my students. Take out your new Radiant Readers Class 6 book. As you know, I have started this chapter Dasu 2. Today I will start from here. Suddenly, with heavy crashing of bushes, the stripped body of a tiger leaped into the pen and seized a fat lamb. The watch dog strained at his rope until he broke loose. Then he ran for safety. The other dogs set up a frightened howling, but the sheep and goats were silent with terror. So here we can see, with heavy crashing of bushes, the stripped body of tiger leaped into the pen and it seized the fat lamb, as you can see in the picture. The watch dog strained at his rope until he broke loose. So the dog was watching until he lose the rope. Then he ran for safety. Then he was running for safety. The other dogs set up frightened howling. So other dog was howling, but the sheep and goats were silent with terror. Sheep and goats were silent with terror. At the sudden noise, Hatu Kotu, who was lying only half asleep, sat up and rubbed his eyes. The boy missed Dasu from his tent, so he ran out to see what had happened. A sound of angry snarling came from the tiger, who held the poor lamb under one of his gained paws. So all of us, at a sudden noise, Hatu Katu was lying only half asleep. So half asleep he was, and he rubbed his eyes. The boy missed Dasu. He missed Dasu from his tent, so he ran away to see what has happened. And he went away to see what has happened. A sound of angry snarling came from the tiger, coming from the tiger. Okay, he was holding the poor lamb under his paws. It is tiger, grasped the boy. The boy is saying it is tiger. Without thinking of what he was about, Hatu Katu sprang towards the big animal, waving his arm wildly. He hoped to scare him off, but the tiger was old and fierce and had no intention of being scared away by a small boy. So without thinking what he was about, Hatu Katu sprang upon towards the big animal. He was waving his arms. So he hoped to scare off the tiger, but the tiger was old and fierce, and he has no intention of being scared by him, and he was not getting scared by the small boy. Then as Hatu Katu stopped waving his arm, the tiger's eyes gleamed wickedly. With a quick spring, the great animal threw himself at the little boy and knocked him flat on the ground. Hatu Katu gave a loud scream, and the next moment a small furry body flung itself at the tiger's head. So then Hatu Katu stopped waving his arm, and the tiger's eyes gleamed. Gleamed. With a quick spring, the great animal threw the little boy and knocked him to the ground. And Hatu Katu was giving a loud scream. The screaming also, Hatu Katu. And the next moment, small body flung itself at the tiger's head. It was Dasu. Whenever the tiger tried to lower his great snarling mouth to seize Hatu Katu, Dasu was in the way. His small sharp teeth dug into the tiger's head and neck and made the fierce animal still more angry. With a roar, the tiger flung the little dog into the air, but in a moment or two, Dasu returned to the attack. So it was Dasu, when the tiger tried to lower this great snarling mouth to seize Hatu Katu. Dasu was in the way. Dasu was coming in his way. His sharp teeth dug into the tiger's head and neck. So his teeth was his head and neck and made the fierce animal still more angry. So animal was getting angry. With the roar, the tiger flung the little dog. So he's roaring also. Okay. And he flung the dog in the air. But in a moment or two, Dasu returned to the attack. Again, two Dasu came to attack him. Hatu Katu dared not rise and run. So he buried his face into the ground. The minutes seemed like years to the little boy. He knew that Dasu could not help him much longer, for the dog's soft little body was already covered with bites and deep scratches. Oh, why did he, why did someone not come in his aid? So Hatukatu not does not have daring to rise and run. So he buried his face in the ground. The minute was seeming like years for the little boy, and he knew that Dasu could not help the boy, as the little dog's body was already covered with bites and scratches, which is given by the tiger. He thought, why did someone is not coming to help them? So that's all. Before closing the video, I would like to give you homework. Your homework will be, you will draw this picture in your literature copy. Okay, that's all.